here you are. Today, we'll talk about VR. Let's have a look at your questions. Yes, it is available in 3DEXPERIENCE CATIA, and it was not available in CATIA V5, so it's one of the key benefits of moving from CATIA V5 to 3DEXPERIENCE CATIA. I don't know if you've ever tried it, but if you connect it, if you use it, it's a paradigm shift. It really augments the capacity of mechanical designer to do innovative product. It brings a lot of value for the designer, for your engineering office. It's not a gadget. This is an interesting question. Of course, VR can be used for design review, for styling, but to my personal opinion, it's even better and brings more benefit for mechanical engineer. Why? You can design a big tooling, scale 1 tooling, you can go ahead, you can go through, you can check if there are some clashes, you can check if the part is well located, and you can really make decision of design early at the development of the concept or your product, and not at the very late moment in the shop floor when it is too late. Yes, it is super easy, it's really plug and play. You take your helmet, you connect it to your laptop or desktop. If you have lighthouse, you position the lighthouse, but there are some new devices where the lighthouses are incorporated in the helmet, and you use it. Nothing to prepare, no data transfer, no data preparation. It's super, super cool. Yes, we can. But thanks to 3DEXPERIENCE CATIA, we can also put yourself in the scene. So you wear special captors and you will walk, why not, in the scene. You can look at the part. You can see if you can reach a given command from a special machinery, if you are inside a special machinery. And if there is any issue, you can also design with CATIA a solid, a surface, a curve that will be reused by the designer to do the modification and bring the design change to the actual design that you are evaluating, testing, and navigating inside. It's super powerful.